Bullish Gochain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Go could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Gochain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Gochain presentation. Gochain is an inventive token with a strong specialized establishment and a great rundown of organizations, however, presently can't seem to make a leap forward. Of late, the versatility of blockchains has been an interesting issue, and the victor could enjoy an upper hand over any remaining digital forms of money. One of the latest participants into the conflict is Gochain, which professes to be multiple times quicker than the Ethereum organization and a superior choice to savvy decreases by utilizing proof of notoriety as an agreement convention as opposed to proof of work or proof. As well as being multiple times quicker than Ethereum, it plans to be multiple times more decentralized and consume multiple times less power than Bitcoin. Many coins and tokens in comparative situations as Gochain have practically identical market capitalizations to their neighbors. Thus, their rankings can change emphatically inside a solitary day. To get familiar with Gochain, its set of experiences, tokenomics, and cost expectation, continue to peruse as this Gochain value forecast will reveal all that you really want to be aware of the Go token. Generally speaking, our essential spotlight will stay on the Gochain cost forecasts from 2022 to 2030. What is Gochain? Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is adaptable, quick, and secure. The digital money takes into consideration high exchange volumes and fast check. Gochain can perform x100 a greater number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain's progress to a proof of notoriety agreement model thinks about the standing of all organization members. It's to guarantee an organization is completely secure and liberated from any interior or outside issues. All members in the Gochain blockchain should have a standing, and endeavoring to swindle the framework in either monetary or marking terms will bring about serious results. Basically, Gochain has enhanced the proof of power model by renaming it proof of notoriety for most organization members, though the evidence of power can in any case be utilized, however, just for hubs with a heavenly standing and enhance the organization. Moreover, the blockchain was intended to be Ethereum viable, and that implies that current Ethereum-based chains can without much of a stretch change to Gochain. Gochain tends to the centralization, versatility, and energy utilization gives that plague blockchains that utilization verification of work as an agreement system. While confirmation of work is a decent blockchain calculation, it has filled its need by beginning the upset. Right now is an ideal opportunity to change to something quicker, more versatile, decentralized, and energy proficient. It likewise goes past Ethereum brilliant agreements to make something more steady and valuable. Tokenomics of the Gochain environment. The Gochain token, signified by the ticker image Go, was dispersed in June 2018 following an effective ICO that gathered 20,000 ETH, or $13.7 million. The Go token is an ERC20 token in light of Ethereum that can be utilized as gas to get to all Gochain stage administrations. There are plans to make 1 billion tokens altogether, with the ongoing coursing supply of 498,943,652 Go. The excess tokens will be scattered as marking rewards, with 5%, or 50 million Go tokens, circulated during the principal year of the Vitally Net methodology. The appropriation rate will continuously diminish until each of the 500 million Go tokens have been scattered. The Go symbolic deal occurred in May 2018, with the undertaking arriving at its hard cap of 20,000 ETH. Every token was sold for 0.00005 ETH and has proactively valued multiple times in ETH terms, presently worth 0.000162057 ETH, showing the good faith encompassing the venture, considering that these additions were made while most virtual monetary standards were either level or consistently diminishing. Gochain coin outline. The Gochain stage utilizes a proof of notoriety agreement model, which thinks about the standing of all organization members. Gochain, which professes to be completely viable with existing Ethereum wallets, shrewd agreements, and different instrument, expects to empower designers to send decentralized applications on a more energy-proficient organization than Bitcoin or Ethereum. In the event that you're pondering where to purchase Gochain, the top digital money trades for exchanging Gochain tokens are Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Upbit, and Bitham. Gochain current cost. Gochain is presently worth $0. Go has moved 7.49% as of now with an exchanging volume of $152,550. Gochain is presently positioned 756 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $7,781,994 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Gochain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Gochain value forecast 2023. In 2023, Gochain Go cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Go will before long outperform 1 cent. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Go's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Go will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Gochain Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Go may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Go is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Gochain Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Gochain effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Go coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Go will be green in 2025. The Go is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Go cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Go has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. If Go figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Go requirements by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2028. While Go is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2028. Gochain Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Gochain will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Go cost in 2030 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 5 cents. And Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is adaptable, quick, and secure. The digital money considers high exchange volumes and fast check. Gochain can perform x100 a greater number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain means to go past Ethereum brilliant agreements by utilizing POR instead of